Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we are going to show you one heck of a fast car. I bet you haven't seen very many of these because it's a really low production car. Tell you more in a minute. Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, on our showroom floor where we have close to 100 vehicles, everything from late model collectibles, which we're going to talk about shortly, to 1932 Packards and original cars, resto mod cars, some nice foreign cars as well. So if you're looking for something very unusual or interesting in your collector car world, come to Rogers, Minnesota, and we'll show you what we've got. Today, show you a car that has a little over 16,600 actual miles. It is a 2007 Saleen Mustang. Saleen being an independent American company that basically takes Mustangs and converts them to very distinctive, very limited produced cars. And this one right here happens to be one of those. This S281 means it's a supercharged engine. This thing can go really, really fast. Lots and lots of performance, if you will. For this late model stuff, it's just amazing how much performance they get out of these motors in these days. As I said, this is a really low mileage edition. It's been pampered and babied its entire lifetime. These were close to $60,000 cars when they're done, and this is no exception to the rule in terms of overall collectability and how quality the car is. There's an interesting note on the front fender or down on the front bumper there. That is the production number of how many cars were this fit into their production. This one happens to be 417. Again, it's got an awful lot of distinctive features different from any of the Ford products per se from the factory from Ford. I mean, this has different hood scoops, it has different hood elements, different flares. Of course, they have their own custom Saleen emblems all over on the front windshield, inside on the seat backs. And again, this happens to be the convertible, which makes this even more of a rarity. I mean, very few convertibles are actually out there, and you're not going to find one like this that only has a little over 16,000 original miles. I mean, it is just absolutely spectacular. The individual who brought it to his wife made the comment that anytime it goes out, if it goes out for an hour, it takes 6 hours to clean. So it's one of those things. Yes, you look at the inside in these cars, I mean, the performance world is so different than it was, say, in 1969 or 1970. Because you have all the bells and whistles. You got power steering, power brakes, you got air conditioning. This, of course, has the bar here, just in case, heaven help it, that you'd ever need that. Power convertible top goes up at a flip of a switch in case you ever get caught out in the rain, because most of the time if you're driving one of these cars, I'm sure hoping that you have the top down so you can get the full effect of having the little convertible to enjoy. But overall quality on the car is absolutely spectacular. Everything about the car is clean, neat, detailed. The wheels are an upgrade, if I remember correctly, on some of the original paperwork that I have on the car as well. So if you're looking for one of those late model collectibles that, you know, you just don't see very often, you don't see very many convertibles, again, very, very low production. We have one right here at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers. Come and look at it in person. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Love to have you come and take a look. If you can't do it that way, you can find us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. There's all our videos and information on all our inventory. You know, you can also visit our website, which is very simple, www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, right here in Rogers, Minnesota. We'd love to have you come and take a look, because I'm sure you're going to find something here that you will fall in love with.